Welcome back to another episode of Big EDB Variety Show type Big Desk Fragrances. This time, I'm going to be unboxing a new fragrance that I just picked up on damn porch. Not really porch, but live in an apartment. And I'm going to be unboxing the new, to me that is, vintage rose from Haramain. And let's see what it is. Let's see how it is. Uh-uh. Put that there. Uh. Wait a minute. Hold on now. Hold on now. Give it a couple of sprays. Mmm. It's that rose. This smells classy. It smells like I can easily layer this with the velvet rose from Latafa, goaded fragrance, heavily slept on. But also I can use this as a standby fragrance, as a standalone fragrance, I should say. I don't know why the hell I say standby. But let me go ahead and pull up Troll Gantica, a term I stole from Ross from TLTG Reviews. Shout out to him. Pull this up right quick. This is raw, uncut. I don't know why they said vintage rose. Let me see. Let me do this again. It looks like they ain't got it. Hell no, they ain't got it. I am shocked. Let me see. I'm any damn way. Gonna be a short one since I couldn't find it on Troll Grantical. But I know for a fact that obviously got roles. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in on the presentation. Looks every bit as classy, strong, sturdy. Well, not cap is okay. It's not sturdy, but it's not heavy. It does its job. But first sniff to describe the vibes, it's gonna be. It is dressy. It is dressy. Like you gotta wear this. This is your Sunday morning church fragrance. It's I got a unisex vibe, but it's leaning slightly towards feminine. But me, I don't give a damn. It smells that good. If I had to compare it, it will be like Latafa's Velvet Rose, but it's dressier. It's more airy. It's nah, I wouldn't say fresher, but it has slightly more depth to it. But cut it short, not cut it short. It's gonna be a short one for a fragrance review, but I'm gonna give you the raw, uncut reaction. First unboxing, it's gonna be 8 out of 10. Easy for me. So far, so good. I know it's gonna perform like a beast because it's straight to parfum. easily 8 hours. I know off the rip, because I know that anything that's straight to parfum usually lasts a long damn time. So that's gonna be great. Just a wonderful fragrance. It exceeded my expectations just a little bit. I'm happy that it did, but like I mentioned before, you can get away with this if you was a. It's unisex, but if you a dude that know how to dress it up, church, work function, brunch, those are the files I'm getting, like pretty boy roles. No, not pretty boy roles. My bad. Grown man sophisticated roles. Gotta put some respect on it. Like I said before, 8 out of 10. First impressions, damn good fragrance. See y'all next time on the EDB variety show type big disc fragrance. Please like the video and subscribe. Thank you very much.